Here is every verified fix for Valorant error codes VAL5 and VAN79. We will go from the fastest checks to the deep fixes. Follow along and test the game after each one.
First, rule out Riot's side. Open your browser and go to status.riotgames.com. Click the Valorant tile. Then pick your region from the dropdown. Read the section called Current Messages. If maintenance or an incident is listed, just wait. No fix on your PC will help until it clears. If it says no issues, move on to the next fix.
Fix 1 is a full restart. This is Riot's official first step for VAN79. Click Start, then the power button, then Restart. Do not use Shutdown. Fast startup can keep a broken Vanguard state alive. A restart fully reloads the Vanguard driver. Then launch the game and test.
Fix 2 targets VAL5 directly. Riot says code 5 means your account was logged in somewhere else. So we log out of every device, go to account.riotgames.com and sign in. In the left sidebar, open Sign In and Security. Scroll down to the Login Management card. Click the button that says Log Out Everywhere. Then confirm the prompt. Now fully exit the Riot client from the system tray. Restart your PC, sign in again, and launch Valorant.
Fix 3 sounds strange, but it is on Riot's official list. A wrong Windows clock can break Vanguard's secure connection. Press Windows plus I to open settings, go to time and language, then date and time. Turn on Set Time Automatically. Then click the Sync Now button. Also check that your time zone is correct.
Fix 4. Remove anything sitting between you and Riot's servers. Exit any VPN from the system tray. Then check the Windows proxy. In Settings, open Network and Internet, then Proxy. Make sure Use a Proxy server is off. Finally, power cycle your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in.
Fix 5 is the #1 fix for VAN79. Vanguard runs as a Windows service called VGC. If that service is stopped, the game cannot connect. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to VGC. Double-click it to open its properties. Set the startup type to automatic. If the service status says stopped, click the Start button. Then click Apply and OK and restart your PC. One warning, if Start fails with Error 1, the driver itself is broken. Skip ahead to Fix 11, the Vanguard Reinstall.
Fix 6. Run the game with full permissions. Right-click your Valorant shortcut and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. When Windows asks for permission, click Yes.
Fix 7. Repair the game files. Open the Riot client. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Choose Settings. In the left column, click Valorant. Then click the Repair button. The client scans and re-downloads any damaged files. When it finishes, relaunch the game.
Fix 8. Reset your network stack. Press the Windows key and type CMD. On the right side, click Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. In the black window, type Netsh Winsock Reset and press Enter. You should see Successfully reset the Winsock catalog. Next, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. It should say Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now restart your PC. If it did not help, come back and run these 4 extra commands too. Then, restart again. Fix 9. Make sure your firewall is not blocking the game. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Click Firewall and Network Protection. Now click Allow an app through Firewall. In the Allowed Apps window, click Change Settings. Find Valorant, Riot Client, and VGC in the list. Tick both the private and public boxes for each one. If one is missing, click Allow another app and browse to it. Click OK when you are done. If you use a third-party antivirus, add the same files to its exclusion list. One player ended 1.5 years of VAN errors this way.
Fix 10. Update Windows in your network driver. Open Settings and click Windows Update at the bottom of the sidebar. Click Check for Updates and install everything. For the driver, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your adapter and choose Update Driver. Pick Search automatically for drivers. Then restart your PC. Fix 11 has the highest success rate for stubborn VAN 79. We reinstall Vanguard completely. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open it. Go to Programs, then uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard in the list, click it, then click Uninstall, and confirm. Restart your PC to remove the driver cleanly. Now launch Valorant through the Riot client. Vanguard downloads and reinstalls automatically. Restart one more time when it asks. Players report this fixes cases where nothing else worked. One extra tip from Riot's official list. If a background app is fighting Vanguard, a clean boot exposes it. Type msconfig, hide all Microsoft services, disable the rest, and restart.
Fix 12. A full Windows network reset. Open Settings, then Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. Click the Reset Now button and confirm. Careful. Windows will restart your PC in 5 minutes, and your saved Wi-Fi passwords will be removed. Save your work first. After the restart, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test the game.
Fix 13 is a niche one. It only applies if your desktop shows a test mode watermark. Vanguard refuses to run in test signing mode. Open Command Prompt as administrator again, run bcd edit, set test signing off. Then run bcd edit, set no integrity checks off. Both should say, the operation completed successfully. Restart your PC.
Fix 14 is for Windows 11. Vanguard requires secure boot in TPM 2.0. Let's check both. Press Windows plus R, type NFV Info32, and press Enter. Look for BIOS mode, UEFI, and secure boot state on. Now press Windows plus R again and run tpm.msc. The status should read, the TPM is ready for use, with specification version 2.0. If either one is off, you enable it in your BIOS menu. The names vary by motherboard, so check your vendor's guide.
Fix 15 is the last resort. A clean reinstall. Open Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Search Valorant, click the 3 dots, and choose Uninstall. Do the same for Riot Vanguard, restart your PC, then go to playvalorant.com and click Download. Run the installer, and Vanguard installs along with the game. Restart once more, sign in, and play. If nothing worked, it is time for Riot Support. Go to the Valorant support site and click Submit a Ticket. Choose Technical Issues as the request type. Tell them which code you get, when it appears, and every fix you already tried. That detail speeds up their answer a lot.
So why do these errors happen? Valorant depends on one chain. At boot, the Vanguard driver loads. Then the VGC service starts. The Riot client launches, the game authenticates, and you connect to a server. If any link breaks, you get an error code. VAL 5 means the session link broke. Usually your account was logged in somewhere else. VAN 79 means the Vanguard links broke. The driver or the service could not start or stay connected. And one note for 2026. On PCs that pass Riot's security pre-check, Vanguard now starts on demand instead of at boot. That is why a simple restart fixes so many of these cases.
Quick recap. Check the servers, restart, and log out everywhere for VAL 5. For VAN 9079, fix the VGC service, reset your network stack, and reinstall Vanguard. Work down the list until one sticks. That is the complete manual. Good luck in your next match.